Hi, this is Justin from RGBlink, and we're here at ISE, and I'd like to show you our Tao 1mini, which is an NDI node. It both encodes and decodes NDI, and that's including NDI HX3. Convenient little form factor. This device features an HDMI in, also a UVC in, so you can switch between those. And then you can encode and decode NDI, and also RTMP and SRT. This little demonstration here, we're encoding one of our PTZ cameras, pushing that out over NDI on, over the Ethernet, and bringing that into another Tao 1mini here for decode, and it's being displayed out on the monitor here via HDMI. We can also switch between the NDI and the HDMI sources. So in essence, you've got actually 3 sources for potential there. Come along and check out the Tao 1mini and all our great streaming solutions, especially the NDI solutions, right here at RGBlink. Or see us on the website, www.rgblink.com.